Hello everyone. Om Namah Shivaya. Our today's topic is Moon in Aries. The first sign of the zodiac. Aries is the male cardinal fire element sign. Is known for an impulsive and fiery disposition. If you have an Aries moon sign in your zodiac chart, it means that when you were born, the moon was traveling through the Aries zodiac sign. In the astrological birth chart, the moon sign is your emotional personality, a crucial part of understanding what makes you or something else tick. Since the moon is the celestial body that's closest to the earth, our moods and feelings are governed by its movements. A- Aries is ruled by Mars, the planet of aggression and war, which can make you temperamental and straight up combative. Natives with Aries moon signs are inclined to have a pronounced need for freedom, independence, determination, and self confidence. Mars is the ruler of the sign. Mars was grown under the Puma Devi, said in Puranas, so he is owner of land, agriculture, immovable property, and assets. Mars related to blood and blood relationship. A fiery masculine planet is friendly with moon that makes the native resolute and honest. You show your real personality to all and nothing is hidden inside you. Moon in Aries men and women are prone to have plenty of crushes and other short-lived yet intense desires. You are energetic, flexible, strong and bold. You are always happy and have an optimistic outlook. You always strive for quick results of action. You are highly passionate and never hesitate to put forth what is there in your mind. You would react at the speed of light. You work with passion and not with the emotions. You would not give second thought once the thing fascinates you or some innovative ideas have struck in your mind. You would jump to action immediately once you are excited or have an idea of doing it. You don't waste time doing the groundwork, analyzing, and too much planning. You'd never like it if things are going at a slow pace. You don't believe in sugar-coated words and not appreciate for namesake. You love to have authority and always want to be in powerful position. You seldom can follow others and are fearlessly independent in doing things. Professions connected with army, chemist, police, machines, industry or medical best suits them. Many of you make great fighters, fearless and brave. There is, however, a tint of ego in your personality too. You tend to stay away from emotional involvement and are freedom loving soul. Moon in Aries makes you financially sound. You have prosperous life in general. Now we'll move to few things related to Aries. Your birth star or Janma nakshatra will be Ashwini 1, 2, 3, 4 padas, Bharani 1, 2, 3, 4 padas, Kritika first pada. Gana is Rakshasa Gana. East and south facing houses were good for Aries. Having pets in house is good. Tuesday is the favorite day. Lucky color is red, orange, yellow. If you going for important occasions, wear these colors. At least part of small shade will be good. Don't use green and black color on important occasions. Make small garden in the house. It will give you good vibes. Now we'll go for the stars or nakshatras and related gods for worshipping. For Ashwini, you can worship separate Ganapati temple. For Bharani, gods with family. For Kartigai, Lord Subramania Swami with Valli Devanai. Here, whatever I said is a common opinion. Analyzing the position of planets at the moment of your birth chart will give you excellent insight about your qualities. Thanks for supporting and watching. Please share and subscribe Antique Vedic channel to get more devotional updates.